Well, hello there. In this little video, we're going to consider only the male side of the program. In other words, human sperm production. We've already seen a diagram, something like this in your textbook. And what process is being summarized here? What's the process that produces gametes, produces our gametes? It's called meiosis. Yeah, meiosis. And so this is a summary. And there's 4 daughter cells. And so a parent cell in the male reproductive organs divides by meiosis, and when that parent cell divides by meiosis, how many of the daughter cells become sperm cells? All 4. All 4. That's different the female side of the program, as we saw, and we'll summarize that in the next video. But we just answered question 2 of your study questions. In males, how many of the 4 daughter cells become sperm cells? All 4 of them. But what's the first question? We missed that one. In males, what's the rate of sperm production? How many sperm cells do us here now males produce every how often? Well, that fascinating fact was in your book. Did you find it? It's just kind of a tiny little number. What is that? Oh my goodness. 250 million sperm cells per how often? Per year? Per month? Per week? Per lifetime? No, per day. Oh my goodness. Human males producing 250 million sperm cells per day? Wow. Your textbook also goes on to explain, you probably saw this, that that's the approximate number of sperm cells released during a particular incident of sexual activity. And so, 250 million sperm cells off to the races. That kind of reminds me of something, and if you'd like to pause the video for just a second after I finish saying this and check out right below this video, there's a link. It's a whole bunch of little question marks there. That's what this process reminds me of. Go ahead and check that out, then come back and finish this video. Did you do it? Yeah, the race is on. Absolutely, the race is on. We'll refer to the great race a little bit later, the race for the egg, that is, a little bit later as we proceed on through this little unit on human genetics. All right, one more question to go about the male side of the program. And oh, by the way, a few years ago, a student at this juncture, a student sitting out in front of me, said, Professor Vesey. I said, yes, Mr. Smith. He said, Professor Vesey, do things slow down when you get older? He must have thought I'd know that, being older, I guess. And I said to Mr. Smith, I said, when you get older, everything slows down. Yeah, there you go. But anyway, what's the last question? In males, how long does it take to manufacture a sperm cell? These 250 million sperm cells that are swimming off the assembly line today, how long have they been in production? How long does it take, start to finish, to manufacture a sperm cell? What did your textbook say? Did you find it? A whopping what? 3 weeks. 3 weeks to manufacture a sperm cell. And so, the sperm cells that are swimming off the assembly line today, their manufacture began approximately 3 weeks ago. All right, that's it for this one.